Hi, in this lesson, you'll learn how to communicate with Tracy using code. There are many ways to write code. You might recognize the code on the left. This code uses block coding in the Scratch programming language. Today, we're going to talk about how to write code using text using a different programming language. Just like people can speak in many different languages, so can computers. Some computer programming languages are Scratch, JavaScript, and Python, and there are many, many more. You may be familiar with block coding, like in this program, but today we're going to be learning a new language. We'll be learning Tracy the Turtle's language. This is a modified version of a language called Python. So why are we learning a new coding language? Block-based languages like Scratch are a great way to learn to program. However, the languages that run the world around us are written in text-based languages. We just learned all about the grid world that Tracy lives in, so now let's learn how we can communicate with her. We can use the go to command to tell Tracy to move to a certain location on the canvas. In this case, if we give her the command go to 100, 100, she will move from the center of the canvas to that location. We can see the trail she left from 0, 0 where she started to 100, 100. We can use this command multiple times in a row to tell Tracy to move to one location after another. In this case, after she moves to location 100, 100, she is moving to location -150, -50. Let's take a deeper look at how we have to write this command. The way a command is written is called the syntax. We need to be very careful with our syntax, which includes the spelling, capitalization, and punctuation when giving commands to Tracy. The go-to command is written using all lowercase letters. There are no spaces between the words go and to in the command. The numbers in the command are placed inside a set of parentheses. And the numbers are separated by a comma. Remember that the first number is the x-coordinate and the second number is the y-coordinate. Let's practice using this command to move Tracy around her world.